Hello, Fanny Fong and AlunoTec team. My name is Zurvohn. I'm in the San Francisco Bay Area, and I got this beautiful pergola from Fanny Fong. She did a tremendous job. She helped me every step of the way. This is made out of aluminum, and it's a pergola, 20 feet by 14 feet. It has LED lighting, 2 heaters, and 4 privacy screens. These screens can go up and down individually, each one. And it's been great working with Fanny Fong. I ordered this pergola. It took about 30 days to build, and then another 30 days to ship out here. It is very durable and very strong. I want to thank you, AlunoTec team. I had my son's college graduation here. Everybody loved it about 2 days ago. And next week, I'm having another event here. I love it. I don't know what else to say, except for the company is phenomenal. Thank you. And I want to say happy 9th anniversary to AlunoTec. Thank you very much.